After leucine, the amino acid which contain in their chemical structure non-polar R group, there is the isoleucine. The abbreviation of isoleucine is ILE. And as you are watching in the chemical structure of the amino acid containing R group in the side chain, you are watching in this chemical structure of isoleucine is that this is whole the basic structure of the simplest amino acid, carbon containing amine group, carboxylic acid group, and it is the additional attachment of the amino acid to which it is called as the isoleucine. As dear students, you are watching that the nomenclature starts from here, number 1, number 2 and number 3. So after isoleucine there are other amino acids which contain. So the observing point is that in all 4 these amino acids, alanine, valine, leucine and isoleucine, these amino acids, those as I have told you that these are known as the non-polar R groups, but in these amino acids there is not attachment of any benzene ring. But here is another amino acid, proline. The abbreviation of proline is PRO, and as you are watching the structure of the proline, there is the ring structure. So it is the basic structure of the amino acid, amine group, carboxylic acid group, and there is the ring structure of 5-member ring. I must say that 5-member ring which is containing the nitrogenous compound of the proline. After proline there is another amino acid, that is the methionine, and the abbreviation of methionine is MAT. The distinguished property of methionine other than amino acid is that it is containing the sulfur group. Sulfur group along with the basic group of the amino acid. Here is the basic group of the amino acid, and now containing these 2 methyl groups, 3 methyl groups, there is the sulfur. So dear students, you can observe and can isolate this amino acid from other amino acids, that no one amino acid, other amino acids contain the sulfur group, but methionine is that is containing the sulfur group and having the property of the non-polar amino acids. After methionine there is the phenylalanine amino acid, and the abbreviation of phenylalanine is PHE, and here as you are watching that there is a 5-member ring attached to the basic amino acid of the phenylalanine, and after phenylalanine there is the tryptophan. The abbreviation of tryptophan is TRP, and as you are watching there 2 additional benzene rings are attached. One is the 5-member ring and another is the 6-member ring, and here this is the basic group of the amino acid. So common thing of all these amino acid is that the basic group is same. Here again there is the review of these amino acid. The basic group of alanine is here, the basic group of valine is here, and difference in between these 2 amino acid is that it contains only 1 methyl groups, it is containing additional 2 methyl groups. In leucine it is containing 3 methyl groups along with the basic, and in isoleucine it is containing more than 3 groups. Proline is totally different with that of these 4 amino acids because it is not containing any kind of the straight chain, but it is contain a ring structure. So property is that methionine amino acid is that it is containing, proline is that it is containing the ring structure, and methionine is that which is containing the sulfur, and phenylalanine is that which is containing 6-member ring, and after phenylalanine the tryptophan which is containing 2 types of the rings. Number 1, there is the 5-member ring and there is the 6-member ring along with the basic formula of the amino acid. Now there is the second category of the amino acids which are containing amino acid with polar but uncharged R groups. It means that these amino acids are so polar but these are uncharged. How these are uncharged? Let us consider one by one. So in the polar uncharged group, first there is the amino acid known as the glycine, abbreviation is GLY. Glycine is known as the simplest amino acid and it is also known as optically inactive. What is the reason that it is known as optical inactive and simplest amino acid? As you are watching in this chemical structure of the glycine, it contains no asymmetrical carbon atom. What is the asymmetric carbon atom, dear student? It means that carbon atom which contains at least 4 different other groups. As you are watching in the glycine, no other types of the different 4 groups are attached. So there is that is why it is known as the simplest amino acid, glycine. After glycine, the amino acid with polar but uncharged R groups, there is the serine or the serine. Its abbreviation is SER, and the chemical formula is here. As you are watching, the basic structure of serine is this carbon amine carboxylic acid group, and 2 types of other groups are attached with the serine. Number 1 methyl group, and other is the hydroxyl group HO. After that serine, there is the threonine THR. Threonine is the amino acid. The property of amino acid which makes more important than other amino acid is that it contains attachment with the basic. Here is the basic amino acid, dear students. So more attachment of the groups, methyl group, basic, alkyl group, and hydroxyl group. So this makes entirely different from other than amino acids. After that, there is the cysteine. The abbreviation of cysteine is, as you are watching here, capital CYS, and the chemical formula indicate what? It indicates HS, methyl group, and here is the again basic group. Tyrosine. Tyrosine is that amino acid which is polar but uncharged. But why? The reason is that with basic group of this functional, it is containing an ring structure, and to that ring structure there is the attachment of the HO hydroxyl group. After that, there is the glutamine. Glutamine, the abbreviation of amino acid glutamine is that GLN, and it is the basic structure of the glutamine. After that, in the category of the amino acids polar but uncharged, there is the asparagine. The asparagine is that amino acid which contains these types of the additional groups along with the basic structure of the amino acids. Now continuing the category and the classification of the amino acids. Number 3, there are the amino acids with positively charged R groups. Number 1, there is the lysine. The abbreviation of lysine is LYS, and the chemical structure is this. The basic structure formula containing amine, carbo, and here you are watching that how many additional groups are attached. 1, 2, 3. 3 additional groups are attached. Additional means the methyl groups to the lysine amino acid. Arginine. Arginine contains entirely different attachment of the additional group. How? As you are watching, dear students, in the structure of the lysine, basic structure, you are watching that how many additional groups are there? 1, 2, 3, and this. And as you are watching here, in the arginine amino acid, carbon is attached with a double bonded NH amino group. Histidine. Histidine is that amino acid which contains again 5-membered ring, and here is the basic structure of the amino acid of the histidine. After this category of the amino acid with positively charged R groups, there are the amino acids with negatively charged R groups. In negatively charged R groups category, there is the aspartic acid, and aspartic acid, the abbreviation of this amino acid ASP, and as you are watching that the difference with other than amino acid is that it contains double 2 types of the acidic group. One that is known as the basic acidic group attached with the carbon, and another this type of the COOH acidic group attached. So it is an acidic amino acid, but as I have mentioned that these are the negatively charged, and above mentioned amino acids were positively charged, and positively charged amino acids were 3. And in this category, how many? Let us consider. Other than, there is the glutamic acid. Glutamic acid abbreviation is GLU, and as you are watching, in this amino acid here, there is the also attachment of the two carboxylic acidic group. One is the basic group that is attached as usually with the carbon of the carboxylic acid group, and other is here. But the difference between the two amino acid, so observe carefully, between the aspartic acid and glutamic acid is that here glutamic acid also contain two types of the acidic groups, and aspartic acid contains also two type of the acidic group. But watch what make it different than this. The difference is that the aspartic acid does not contain more methyl groups as the aspartic acid contains.